and see what the weather has done, guys. Here it is, and oof, that's very deep in that core, and it's continuously coming up, it's continuously flowing down and not going to stop. Okay, and with this course, I have to say one thing, I have to share one thing that in the previous, in the 2023, in 2023 year, there was there were so many holidays of because of this cause, the rain caused the rain interruption, the rainfall. So that's why the holiday was started, and that was a great time. But now it's another scenario. So hmm, that's really bad. Okay, so let's go like this and see you guys in the next